Namaste students. Today we will learn English subject chapter number 2, Go and Come. Students, तुमच्या वयाच्या एका छोट्याशा मुलाची ही गोष्ट आहे. या पाठामध्ये 3 पात्र आहेत. एक म्हणजे मुलगा, दुसरा म्हणजे अंकल आणि तिसरा म्हणजे त्याची आई. असे 3 पात्र या कथेमध्ये आहेत. एक छोटस शहर होतं. शहरामध्ये एक सुंदरस घर होतं. घराभोवती बाग होती. बागेमध्ये खूप सारे झाडं, वेली, वनस्पती होत्या. फुलझाडं होती. पक्षी आणि छोटे छोटे कीटक सुद्धा होते. ही बाग खूप छान होती. बागेची रोज कापणी केली जायची, छाटणी केली जायची, खुरपणी केली जायची आणि त्यांना पाणी सुद्धा दिलं जायचं आणि वेळेवर खत सुद्धा दिलं जायचं. एक दिवस काय झालं, त्या मुलाच्या घरी एक अंकल आले. ते अंकल खूप शिस्तप्रिय आणि खूपशे कष्टाळू होते. त्यांचं हे कर्तृत्व पाहून सर्वांना आश्चर्य वाटत होतं. पण ते अंकल खूप शिस्तप्रिय होते हे त्या मुलाला आवडत नव्हतं. कारण अंकल त्याला काम सांगायचे ते त्याला वेळेवर करावं लागायचं. एक दिवस अंकलने सांगितलं, अरे मुला, तू का बसलायस इथे? जा आणि ते गार्डन स्वच्छ कर, जा. हे सांगितल्यानंतर त्या मुलाला खूप दुःख वाटले. आता आपल्याला काम सांगितलं, आता आपण काय करावं? तो एका जागी बसला, रडायला लागला. त्याच्या डोळ्यातून पाण्याचे अश्रू वाहायला लागले आणि हे त्याच्या आईने पाहिलं. मग त्याची आई म्हणाली, बाळा, तू का रडतोयस? मग त्या मुलाने सांगितलं की मी या कारणामुळे रडतोय आणि मला आज गार्डन काय स्वच्छ करायचं नाही. मग त्याची आई म्हणते, अरे एवढं सोपं काम, खूप सोपं आहे ते, आपण दोघं मिळून करूयात ते. आणि त्यानंतर तो मुलगा तयार होतो आणि हे काम गप्पा मारत मनोरंजनामध्ये कधी होऊन जातं हे दोघांनाही कळत नाही. स्टुडंट्स, फर्स्टली आय विल introduce you with this chapter. This is a chapter of a small kid of your age. Chapter name is Go and Come. There was a little boy lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means house. The house was surrounded with a beautiful garden. Garden was very beautiful. Everyone was taking care of that garden. Every member in that house was prune the garden, water the garden, and all the things do on time. Manure, pruning and watering. Everyone was doing that work. One day, one uncle came in that house and he was very disciplined person. He observed that there was needing of weeding the garden. So he said to the boy who was playing around the garden, their uncle said, "Oh boy, go and weed the garden." Boy said, "No, I don't want it." Uncle said, "No, you must. You must do that work." Then that boy get crying and uncle went into the room. Boy was crying. His eyes was wide up and he was very unhappy. He was very sad. That time his mother was arriving from that way. She looked at his kid and said, "What happened, boy?" Boy said, "Uncle said to me, weed the garden." So the mother said, "Don't worry, I like to weed the garden. We both together do that work and that work will be complete within a few minutes." Then that boy get ready and both of them togetherly complete and weed the garden with chatting, laughing, with happily complete that work. Students, firstly we will study some dictation words which are given in this chapter. First word is cottage. Cottage means a small simple house. Cottage, स्मॉल सिंपल हाऊस, छोटंसं घर. मॅन्युअर, मॅन्युअर मीन्स अ मटेरियल मिक्स विथ अ सॉइल टू हेल्प प्लांट टू ग्रो. मॅन्युअर मीन्स मराठीमध्ये त्याला खत असं म्हणतात. विडिंग, विडिंग मीन्स रिमूव्हिंग ट्रबलसम अनवॉन्टेड प्लांट फ्रॉम द फील्ड और गार्डन. विडिंग म्हणजे गरजेची नसलेली झाडं तोडून टाकणे. प्रून, कट ऑफ dead and unwanted part of the plant to help it grow well. प्रून, प्रून म्हणजे झाडाचे निर्जीव झालेले भाग तोडून टाकणे. डिसिप्लिन, डिसिप्लिन मीन्स ओबेइंग रूल अँड ऑर्डर. डिसिप्लिन म्हणजे शिस्त. सॅडली मीन्स बॅडली और व्हेरी मच. सॅडली म्हणजे खूप वाईट अवस्था असणे. वोबल, वोबल मीन्स मूव इन अ शेकी वे. वोबल म्हणजे वेगळी हालचाल करणे. लूम्प इन अ थ्रोट means tight feeling in the throat due to the strong emotion. lump in his throat म्हणजे हुंदका गिळणे, रडू आल्यासारखं होणं. घशामध्ये आता रडण्यापूर्वीची जी कृती आहे ती घडणं. वेल अप मीन्स फिल्ड विथ टीयर. वेल अप म्हणजे डोळ्यामध्ये अश्रू येणे. रेडिली मीन्स क्विकली अँड विदाउट एनी डिफिकल्टी. रेडिली म्हणजे काम करण्यास तयार होणे लगेचच्या लगेच. चॅटिंग, चॅटिंग मीन्स टॉकिंग इन अ फ्रेंडली वे. चॅटिंग म्हणजे मैत्रीपूर्ण गप्पा मारणे. सो स्टुडंट्स, फर्स्टली वी विल रीड फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट. फॉर दॅट paragraph number 1 starts from once there was a little boy till to end that paragraph is was playing around in his house. So student, this assignment, for this assignment we will study firstly the paragraph and then we will see the question answer. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Once there was a little boy who lived in pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kind of plants grew in the garden, and so there was lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at all right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Everybody in a little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The little boy had very strict uncle who come to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw the boy who was playing around in the house. Students, now the next part is question answer of assignment number 1, paragraph number 1. First question is write the answer to the following question. First question, who had come to stay with little boy and his family? Answer is the little boy's uncle had come to stay with the little boy and his family. Second question, what did the uncle believe in? Answer is the uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Big question number 2. Find and write the line that tells the boy's family took care of the garden. Answer is, the following line tell us how the boy's family took care of the garden. The plant had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Everybody in a little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Question number 3. Write 3 words from the text that have something to do with gardening. Answer is related word. We want to tell some related word about the gardening. The answer is prune, weeding, manure and watering.